What's up, everyone? Black Clover time. I'm Az.
I'm Jay.
Yes, and we are going to do episode, and we're going to watch episode 5 of Black Clover. Last episode, we ended with Asta revealing to everyone the world, behold, I'm going to become the next Wizard King because I have this magic sword, and nobody's
Yeah,
questioning.
so
I
far.
think I think at least one of them, right? At least one of the magic knights has to ask, like, what is his
Yeah,
deal? Like, how is he so powerful if he doesn't have any magical aura?
or the promising candidate of the
Yeah,
for the
because
Wizard
whatever
King.
his power is, it's not coming from magic. It's not magic. Either it's a different source of magic that no one has encountered, so no one's questioning it,
Yeah,
or it's completely different that they
I
it's
mean,
completely different.
I think the whole point of the anti-birds, right, was to portray that itself that
I think they're masking it.
yeah,
I think they're masking it by saying that the antibirds don't get attached to magic, but they can't detect magic or something that is inside us. Though.
yeah, exactly.
And you remember that bird, right?
Even the Grimoire.
The one bird that kept falling, Asta.
Yeah, that bird though. Yeah.
She was not looking. It was not looking happy. Got kind of pissed at all the birds.
It must. I mean, it could just be its expression or something.
Yeah. We met a lot of characters. We met. Wait, I
Yeah, I
have my
mean,
notes.
we have our notes. Yes.
Like, what
Written
happened? We met
everything
Yami,
here.
who people are calling Best Boy. I would say
Yeah,
he's
God
best
of
man.
Destruction.
Captain of the Black Bulls, and we got Nozel and Noel, the two brothers and the siblings.
Yep.
That's very interesting.
Mhm.
The captain of the Golden Dawn, William Vengeance, and
Yeah.
Best Boy Sekke,
Yeah.
who just got his ass beat by wow
By Asta.
Basta. I'm getting the characters from different shows confused. I was going to say Naruto.
Dude, the heck?
Yes, and is very proud, and yes, that's where we left off. Let's get into the show.
Yeah, this was a fight.
I'm calling it
They
right
keep
now.
reminding us this is a very important plot.
I'm going to call it right now out of nowhere. The Wizard King is evil.
Huh?
The Wizard King is evil.
The Wizard King is evil.
Yes.
Yeah, it's the most obvious thing.
It's not obvious. I'm just saying that would be interesting. I'd be surprised if he is a good person. Bah. Hoo-ha.
Boo-ha.
Takes so long for him to form his aura compared to that guy who just brought up a tree. And we didn't even discuss about the magic system, right? How it all works, what are the laws, what are the constraints, what are the different
Yeah.
kinds of magic. We
I
haven't
hope
really
they get into the different kinds
yeah,
of
yeah,
magic.
like how Hunter x Hunter does it, very detailed.
So you're hoping for a hard magic system rather than a soft
I
magic
don't think so. I think it'll be soft because we have the grimoires, right, that act as the source of magic,
system.
power, potential, or whatever. But I'm wondering what are different kinds of spells? Are there elemental magic? Do people specialize in certain kinds of magic?
Yeah.
How does one develop and practice their potential for the limit, like upper limit of what is the
Yeah, I don't think
potential for-
it's like Nen from Hunter under that because that is a hard magic system
yeah.
with rules and constraints.
Yeah. I honestly would like it if the magic is kind of a backdrop for the whole show and not really going too much
That's
into
what it looks like. But then how would they fight then?
Yeah, I'm not. See, I'm not looking forward to the fights. I'm looking forward to the characters and the world building. So animation is not a concern for me. What's that piano track?
That's music.
I think they can't even tell if it's actually 5 Clover. Got so filthy. Wait.
They're still looking at him as a peasant. Oh, okay, nothing has happened yet.
Oh my
Alright.
God. I
I was like,
what's the-
what? What kind of reaction is that? What do you want from
Yeah,
this guy?
yeah. I was like, what do you want? He noticed it. He also noticed it.
They're like, what does this mean? We don't sense. Oh,
Yeah,
they said
yeah,
that because they
physical.
don't sense any magic. Okay, that's
So
interesting.
how is he so fast?
Yeah, what is going on?
I think physically Asta is very imposing, even without the sword.
Oh, okay. Everyone is there for the, royalty and glory and stuff.
Hmm.
Okay, they're pretty much saying the same thing.
I mean, it's still a lofty goal. He completely cancelled it.
They're probably thinking that.
He's
Oh,
not using magic. Okay.
yeah, okay. He encountered him before.
Ah, no mana.
Yep. It's not his magic, I think that's why.
Yeah, it's coming from the book.
The devil that resides in the fifth clover leaf. Dude, what the heck?
I really want him to go forward, even though he annoys me. Elemental magic.
Okay, there is elemental magic, I see. So
Most
all the
basic.
other elements come from these four elements.
Royalty is so strong. Interesting way. Yeah, Asta
Yeah,
is
they're more
witnessing all
powerful
this.
than him.
Dude, yeah, definitely. I don't think Asta can defeat them at all.
At least right now as he is.
He got completely overshined.
対戦者が見つからないようだね。僕が相手をしてあげようか。
Yeah, nobody wants to
All
be
these
his opponent,
nobles,
right?
yeah. I don't think this guy...
That perception of only nobles being very powerful.
Will it be over in an instant or do you think it'll draw?
Instant. He's monologuing too much.
Yeah, that's how you know it's a minor character.
Yeah.
Dude, shut up and
I've seen his
fight.
kind
please.
too many times.
ライジンのライジングサリムを
What powers does Yuno have?
Does it remind you of the Creed Island arc? Both of them opening their books.
Trying to summon a monster.
風魔法波乱の塔
Oh, air magic. Okay, he's... Okay, that's his powers.
I don't think it's power, it's more like spells.
But he will mostly use
I wonder how different each Grimoire is, like kind of spells you can use. Bye bye.
obviously.
Or it could be. What do I know about physics?
You know, Salim's family could be important, I think.
Oh. I want to be his friend also.
やりますね
He doesn't seem impressed. He's impressed.
以上で
More like he was
終わりだ
kind of
それでは
terrified.
会いに出てきてくれ
Oh, I see.
Oh boy.
It's not
I'm
process of
scared for
elimination.
not much of an exam. Like
It was like, do we accept you
a
or
single
not?
day. I feel like Yuno is going to be called by several.
拒否する段がない場合魔法騎士団へは入れない
Not much of a test. Just measuring their aura
Yeah, yeah.
potential.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I said, right?
Even the combat, right? It was very short.
This was not,
Not
a
a lot of
tournament arc.
strategy.
That's what I thought so as well.
Bye.
Wow, so many no offers. Like half the people will be gone.
Oh.
99番
I don't know why I feel like I'm right there. You know, I'm scared for my own self.
Oh my god, they had to like stand there.
Every 6 months, is it?
Wait. Yeah, every 6 months.
希望者は挙手を
2, 3. Everyone, even the Golden Dawn. 1 second. I need to write something very important.
Doesn't Captain William look like Joker?
No, it reminds me of someone else. Oh, from.
From Persona.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
What do you mean that looks like the Joker from Batman? What is wrong?
Yeah, he looks
I
like.
know Joker.
He looks like Joker.
Yeah, exactly.
Damn. Damn. Every single one.
Yeah.
Of course,
Be,
you're gonna.
敵の夜明け団でお願
yeah,
いします
be tactical.
And yeah, guys, do let us know after how many years or months does this knight's exam happen?
It probably happens every year after the 15-year-olds are chosen, and then the exam happens
He
6
didn't
months
raise his
after.
hands. Asta. What if he doesn't get called out by anyone?
希望者
I think it will be in the end that he'll raise his hand.
Maybe.
He'll be like,
Because
should
he
I
does-
consider it or not, kind of deal. Can they only have a limited number of people in their...
I don't know. I don't think so.
Can one house choose more than one person?
挙手なし
Shit. How does he get in them?
Yeah.
Jeez, man.
Yeah.
His friend got into the best of the best.
Maybe say something. I don't
そ
know.
りゃそうだわなたとえ高い戦闘能力持ってようが
Oh, unknown.
誰も手出さねえわ
Oh, okay.
Not something else.
If it's unknown, then no one wants to do anything with
マニア
it.
分野で
They don't sense any magical powers from him.
Oh. He's just showing off his aura. Damn. That's just him. He's teaching him a lesson basically. You can't match up no matter how. There's a limit to your physical abilities,
He's
right?
trying to intimidate him or something.
Maybe he's testing him.
This is equivalent to 100 mage knights. So basically, the captain can take all of his
Yeah,
squad
obviously.
members.
But wouldn't they question an anomaly like him?
Exactly, right? This is like, I want to become Hokage and you let me teach you a lesson.
Ah, he's too arrogant. That's why he
Yeah.
got pissed.
Nice, nice.
His
Yes.
arrogance is what got him in trouble.
俺の目の前でも
Right, right,
Yeah.
right.
魔力の
Nice.
魔法体
Yeah,
になるとほざく
That makes sense. He's showing him the ground reality.
何度こけても
This is an important
誰
scene.
に何を言われようと俺はいつか魔法帝になってみせます
Oh, so he's like waiting for him to get thrashed or
He
something.
didn't quit.
Oh, okay. This was kind of like a pressure test as well.
Could be. Not.
No, no, he's going to take him in.
面白いうちの段に来い
Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
But I like how they brought that fact that he was being
入
arrogant.
れてやるって言ってんだ
Awesome.
お前に拒否権は
Declining his His
The
whole
Black
group is
Bulls are
bunch of
very rough and
anomalies and outliers and all kinds
Yeah,
of,
yeah.
you know,
いつか
unorthodox people.
魔法帝になってみせろ
Ruffians, you know, misfits.
yeah, yeah. Oh,
He's one
nice.
step closer. He did
All
it.
that
He did
it
it,
took
you
him.
know.
No, it took him all of this to get here. You know, he worked so hard. He was ridiculed so
Right.
much.
Like we have
yeah.
only seen 3-4 episodes, but he's been doing this since he was a child, right?
Yeah, like he was trying
had
to.
this, He's
yeah.
had this for years.
He's been hiding his pain and
Yeah.
everything.
For
Oh,
the first time.
Oh. It was
The
looking
bird.
at him.
I swear, dude, that bird is so freaking sus. I know something about that bird. I hate when I know it. So how many people qualified? Out of how many people? Give me stats. God damn it.
I think
want
most
numbers.
people, I think they can only take one person from
You're
each.
golden, but I'm a bull.
ここからが勝負だな
Oh,
Hinata.
his stomach. Yeah.
Thank God I didn't interfere with the exams.
もうそこまで来てる
This is very
I like-
Naruto.
I like Asta.
Oh, there he is.
My God.
Oh, this is
Tonpa.
literally Tompa.
Tonpa.
Yeah.
Oh, he did pass. He did pass. Someone told me in the comments that it takes inspiration from a bunch of shonen, but without the flaws.
He can make stuff. I think that's his ability. Wait, what? He made a hawk?
アスタお前じゃ足りない
I want to see a compilation of all his stars in the entire show.
行くか
Oh, right. Different.
Nice. They're parting ways here. Don't tell me it ended. Oh, okay.
俺を待たせるとはいい度胸だな
もうこんな長くて
Jeez, shut up, Asta.
長いってのはそういう
He's going to do this a lot. Finral and I forgot his name. Gordon.
Yeah.
魔力ねえんだ
They can teleport?
金が辛いんで早く通ってもらう
お前誰に向かって指図してんだ
Surpass your limit. Plus ultra.
He's gonna throw him inside.
Oh, this is their house. Yeah, base.
I mean,
of
base, yeah.
operations. Damn, it's a lot of different houses built in one.
これが
You can only do that with magic.
黒の防御の
Wow, it's like the worst.
どうだ
Very
立
rad.
派なもんだろ
What are you talking about? I would live there.
Why? It's run down.
No, compared to his place, right? That is the
Oh,
castle.
yeah.
ここでただ黒の防御に入るハージの村出身アス
What's gonna happen?
Is it the landlady?
I'm not
Wait, it just burned down. What?
最悪の魔法騎士だ
sure. Someone set it on fire.
Oh, okay.
They bunch of-
Someone must have been cooking or something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Or
Wow.
probably some accident with alcohol.
Huh. I'm interested in why Yami likes
That's one way to
taking
introduce the black
all
Bulls.
the.
Misfits, right?
Yeah.
All the unconventional people.
I think there's that squad always there in every
Oh, that's interesting.
show, right?
Yami's reason for taking him and his team also like it reflects his ideology and what he believes in. Like
Yeah.
only nobles and elites shouldn't be a part of the Magic Night.
Yeah,
They
yeah,
should
yeah.
give
We saw that a
opportunities to
lot. Yeah.
Promising candidates.
Mhm. How did Yami get there though? He must be pretty strong. And why was a squad like Black Bulls even there to
Allowed.
begin with, or even
Yeah.
allowed? Yeah. You know what? I think all the members of the Black Bulls have very strange powers. That's why he didn't really question it. He was like, oh, he must be some anomaly or something.
I think he doesn't look at the magical powers or where you are from, you know, your bloodline, your family, your magical potential. It's
Yeah,
more
yeah.
about your character,
Mm-hmm.
like and your willingness to improve and learn and work hard
Oh, okay.
compared to other. Because all of these magic knights, right? They must have their own parameters for judging someone. Or
They
these
can be
two,
good
these two.
friends. Oh.
Please tell me they are this in the same house, and they're going to become like a Team Rocket from Pokemon. Please tell me that's going to happen. Yes, this is Team Rocket basically.
Yeah, what I
Okay.
still don't understand is how does no one know what the five clover?
We'll discuss it.
Is it some very ancient thing that no one knows about because it's like very historical and ancient? Only the
I feel like there's a lot of mystery, and we're not going to get answers very soon.
yeah, because only that mage, right? The very old wizard
It's basically
guy.
your Attack on Titan basement spoiler. It's not going to happen for a
No,
long
no,
time.
no. I'm just saying that it could be because that mage was really old and only he kind of knew that. So
Mhm.
it looks like as if the people in the present day they don't really know about this thing. Only
Right.
it's very ancient some knowledge or something like that.
All right. This was my new favorite episode. It's going to happen every episode.
So
probably.
far so good.
Yes. So far, I'm really enjoying it. If nothing else, I'm enjoying the show,
Yeah.
and I'm really rooting for Asta. All right. So the first scene I want to talk about is
I haven't written anything in order, so please go ahead.
The first thing I want to talk about is the scene with Asta and Yami, where Yami is confronting Asta and showing him the ground realities of even though you have a lot of physical power, there's still a ceiling. For a moment, I thought that Asta was trying. Yami was thinking that this guy is too arrogant, right? He thinks that, and he was correct. Even though Asta
Yeah.
might have these ambitions, saying it out loud, like how Bakugo does, is kind of disrespectful to the Magic Knights who are already captains, and then this guy who's
Yeah.
just come through the exam hall is shouting that I want to be the Wizard King.
It's like it's not just you who wants to be the Wizard King. Of
Yeah,
course, everyone
and-
wants to
and
be
you,
the
you're
Wizard
just
King.
at the starting point, right? And you just
Yeah.
already want to, and
Yeah.
your ambition and your determination and everything is fine. It's respectful, but you shouldn't shout it out like that. And that's why I think Yami got pissed. But at the same time, when he showed him the ground reality, look how much more powerful I am. And even though you might be very strong physically and you can defeat opponents in your exam, but still there will be a physical limit to your ceiling, and you will never be able to train or nurture your magical aura because you don't have any. And
Yeah,
even
it's something
if-
that's given to a person as well.
Yes, and I want to segue that to how the perception of nobility versus civilians are. But first, I want to talk about
Yeah, hold on. So I want to bring another point here that this scene reminded me of Naruto because
Okay.
there was a scene where
don't spoil.
no, it's not a spoiler. It's in the Chunin exams that
You have seen Naruto?
no, but that was a very important scene
Okay.
actually. So when Naruto is also tries to claim that he wants to become the Hokage and
Okay.
stuff, and then Neji tells him that you're being too arrogant. You think that no one else wants to become Hokage. You're being disrespectful to the Hokage. So it's the same. What I'm hoping is that the show doesn't become hypocritical like Naruto, because Naruto was Neji was like it's not your destiny or something like that.
I really want him to be more like Gon. He's always the underdog. He's always trying his best to keep
Exactly.
up with everyone
It's
else.
not like his destiny is to become the Wizard King, and he
I think
becomes
I
the
think
Wizard
that's
King.
Yuno's destiny.
Yeah.
And I'll get to something interesting about
Hmm.
why he's so much of an anomaly. There's a lot of things that I want to talk about at the same time.
Okay,
It's
okay.
kind of confusing.
Yeah.
So
Segue
yeah.
into the civilians and the
Yeah, and then I'll get
nobles,
to
Okay.
So yes, so talking about Asta, so Yami just basically showed him, and he didn't need to, right? He's just showing it to Asta,
Mhm.
and there's few, yeah, and he said that even though you might have some unknown source, but if we don't know, we don't care, right? Because we can't train you, right? What will anyone do by taking you in? You'll basically be dead weight.
Yeah, it's not just that. It's also that he said that if we don't know, if it's from an unknown source, no one wants to do anything with that. Nobody
Yeah,
wants to get
so
involved
they
with
do
that.
understand that something is up with this guy.
Yeah.
But what I'm shocked is why aren't they even the least bit curious? Or maybe they are, but they're not showing it. Like, how is this
Yeah.
kid so powerful? But we did see right after Asta's fight, right? We saw two more opponents who were considerably more powerful. So maybe he's not really
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
that
it's like
incredible.
it's like people didn't witness anything special or anything
Yeah,
that they were
definitely.
intrigued by.
Asta is his power is a lot more powerful. I'm guessing.
Yeah, they assumed that he's just very physically powerful or something like that.
Yeah.
But Williams was intrigued by the grimoire.
Yes,
He was like,
yes,
that's
yes,
a
yes.
very
Yeah,
strange looking
so
grimoire.
that I figured that I saw when he did his magic, right? When Asta did that, Yami was surprised by his determination and what he was proclaiming, and William immediately noticed the five clover.
Grimoire.
And I'm not sure if he saw the five clover, but he was definitely intrigued by it, and there's more
Yeah.
to. And maybe he'll question Asta later on. But
It's a very
definitely-
shabby looking grimoire.
Yeah, he's definitely curious about the grimoire.
Oh, I just realized something. How did we not? Or maybe it's very obvious. The grimoire is so shabby. It's like a very old grimoire.
Right. It's not been taken care of, or it's been used a lot,
Yeah,
or it was sitting somewhere.
Or it was sitting somewhere
And
for
got
very
transported
long
here.
time. Yeah,
Okay, and sword also, right? It's rusted.
yeah. It's rusted and old. It's
Environmental
see
conditions.
this confirms that these are not Asta's powers. It's borrowed power from somewhere else. From the devil inside
And the question is right. The question is,
clover.
why did the powers came at that moment?
Yeah, exactly.
Why not earlier? Right? What triggered it? How did
Why
like,
did Asta trick? Yeah.
Yeah, interesting.
Okay, no. Let's try to remember something here. That day was the day when those 15-year-olds were supposed to be getting their grimoires, and that's the same day that Asta got his. The day everyone got the grimoires when they turned 15 was also the day Asta got his grimoire. So it was not like
Oh,
Yeah, it was not like it came out of
That
nowhere.
was the trigger
yeah.
because he needed that. Is there
Yeah,
some
it's
fate or
like-
destiny playing out here?
No, it's like Asta someone
Oh,
related
that's
to
the
the
day
devils.
that he. No, that's the day that he really needed it. Okay, so it's not that something or some entity took pity on him. Like that's the moment when he was ready and he needed that book, right?
Yeah, but also he turned 15 that day because they're
Oh, right.
yeah, it's the same age. Oh, you know
No,
and
no.
Asta are the same age, dude.
Not the exact. They're not twins.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait.
Could they be twins? Like conceived at the same time by different.
Hold on. They turned 15 on the same day?
No, it's not that. Like only people who are 15 years old qualify for the
Okay,
Magic
okay,
Nights
okay,
exam.
okay. So it's
And
not
do let
like
us know when that happens. Like every 6 months, every year, every 4 years, 5
Yeah.
years. Okay, so now I want to talk about the perception of royalty and the common people, right? So it's like common people don't even question or they don't get frustrated by how powerful these nobles are. They just think that they are gifted from birth, right?
They just accept how
Yeah,
things
they just
are.
accept, and they think that they like normal people can never aspire to be someone like them. Like nobility are gifted since birth, and there is this hard ceiling that they can never cross,
Yeah.
right? Which makes me think that is actually royalty. Like my question is that is it just a matter of perception that common people are inherently not that strong, and only nobility is like there's something inherent within them, or like is it just a perception thing, or is it something actually
True.
yeah, actually true? And if it's actually true, then is actually a noble?
It makes sense because it's like certain bloodlines can be more powerful than others.
certain like Fate Zero, right?
Yeah, so I think that could be royalty.
Because I'm very much sure that becomes the Wizard King. Like we have seen in the openings, his robes and everything, it was similar to the current Wizard King.
Yeah, I mean, like, it won't make any sense for Asta to become the wizard
Yeah, I think
king because-
he will eventually maybe become the captain.
But the whole mystery of who Asta is and who is and what's their destinies is what
Right.
is interesting.
And we did notice that what's his name, William, his mask looks like Joker's mask from Persona 5.
Yeah, and he also reminds me of Griffith. I mean, I don't know his
His mannerisms and his smile, right?
yeah, exactly. Yeah, doesn't he
Yeah.
look like Griffith?
Yeah. He has that. I'm above you. You're all beneath me, but you don't see it. He looks
yeah,
very kind.
he's
and
very charismatic and
benevolent.
charming looking. Yeah.
All right. I really like this line from Asta. You're golden. I'm a bull.
Oh, okay.
Right. What he speaks to and is not like he obviously is very proud of what Asta has achieved, and I was really like I knew that he was going to be in the team like in the Black Bulls, but I felt happy for him because
we knew that he was going to be in the Black Bulls, but I was expecting, oh, this guy is just going to be like, yeah, I accept him. But no, he was like teaching him a lesson and testing him and stuff.
like
so.
be humble.
Yeah, we see that from Yami a lot. When the other guy opened the portal, he was like, You're not the one who's ordering me around.
What do you mean?
He's very much like, be in your place, you know. I'm the captain here, kind of.
No, I think that was just a comedy scene. I don't think that works. Like, he's not someone who will be like, I command respect. I don't think he's that kind of a person. There isn't a strict hierarchy.
No. He's doing it for them. Like, you should know your place, kind of thing, you know.
Not you should know your place. It's more like
uh,
obey orders and, you know.
yeah. Know what's good for you, kind of. Don't get out of place.
It's not like that. It's more like how do I?
Yeah. It's not a negative.
Like an army officer, right?
Yeah, exactly. Right.
Follow protocols and everything.
Yeah.
And stop whimpering.
Yeah.
Or just
Because you know, he really means that, you know, you shouldn't be arrogant here. So why did he get so triggered? Even though everyone else is obviously thinking the same thing, but he got really triggered.
Right. None of the other captains.
That's an.
I mean, he was interested in him, and you know, after teaching him that, he's like, okay, fine. If you can, if you understand what I mean, then you can join my group. And then we got the scene with Seki, and he qualified the exam, and now Seki and the other guy who got defeated by Yuno, now they're going to be best friends, which we saw in the
That's funny.
after credits. And the bird, right? They
the
focus
bird
on the
still
reactions
again.
of Yuno and the character and the bird when Asta got when Asta got through into the Black Bulls team, and the Black Bulls are ruffians, basically.
Yeah, the last
the
part
house
though.
is burning.
Yeah, someone is cooking or something.
It's a mess, right?
Yeah, it's a mess. It's like
Welcome
this
to the
happens.
absolute
Yeah,
worst Magic
it's
Night
like
squad.
it's like this happens all the time, kind of thing.
Yeah. This is who we are.
Nice. Okay, so
I have a theory that none of them are nobles or elites. Like, they're all common people.
yeah, of course. I mean, look at the way he's dressed and stuff.
Yeah.
An interesting thing about this is we are in episode 5, and so far, you know, like I've seen in a lot of shonen and you know, very generic young adult movies and novels. Yeah, it's usually, you know, the main character, you know, usually people sense a great power from them, or there's a prophecy, or you know, something that makes them great, like they're chosen ones or something, and that's usually revealed. But here they didn't do that. Like, they were like,
because
we don't.
Yuno is filling that
Yeah, but
role.
with Asta, it's like we don't even sense any power from you. It's like
I think
you're just.
I think Asta's power, right? It's more of a curse and a burden, and it'll get revealed
yeah,
later.
exactly, right. So that's what this show did very different, and I'm happy that they did this.
Yeah, we're not following Yuno, we're following Asta.
Yeah, exactly. You know,
I
is
mean-
the other that is filling that role.
Mhm.
Nice.
Talking about the magic system, I hope the magic system is somewhat explained, because if there are arbitrary and ambiguous powers when combat happens, then
Yeah,
you
it'll
can
be
pull
a bit-
anything out of your ass and it'll work. You know, there needs to be rules, limitations, consequences, power limits, ceilings, how someone can train and, you know, go past their potential. If that
Yeah.
all is not explained, I'll kind of be disappointed, because since magic is so prevalent in this world, I really hope
They have a system,
So what
yeah.
I'm assuming is that the grimoires, right? They're not explaining how the grimoires work, and it's kind of frustrating, because they're just pulling out any spell, and we don't know why someone is more powerful. Is it?
And what's written in the grimoires? I mean, there's
Yeah.
some text, right? What is that?
Yeah, what is the grimoire? Like, why do they need the grimoire?
You know what
How
I
is their
think? I think
magical aura
no,
connected
no,
with the
no,
grimoire?
no. I think there are some spells written in the grimoire, so that you don't have to spell it out because it's already written.
You know what the grimoire is? It's like your body, right? Your vessel is the source of the mana, and the grimoire is basically
A spell book.
not a spell book. It's more like a medium or a machine that projects out that mana in the desired form. For example, you have a latent pool of mana, right? You need to give it shape. You need to
Yeah, exactly. So you don't
give it
have to
form, element, or whatever.
Yeah,
And that book is basically the conduit.
yeah. You
of
don't.
your
Okay, so
vessel.
this is what I'm thinking, and it could be really cool.
It's like Harry Potter.
Yeah, this could be really cool. So what I'm thinking is, we saw the grimoires where they were in the libraries, or there was a huge library of sorts.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm thinking, right, the grimoires are made by these wizards or scholars that write.
Who are making these?
Yeah, that write, you know, spells or symbols or whatever, you know, and it's written in a book, and then the book chooses, like, you know, like how a wand chooses its.
Yeah, it's very
with the-
much
Yeah.
like Harry Potter.
It chooses which wizard is best for these kinds of spells or something like that. It could be a very many different kinds of spells, and we know that there's elemental magic.
Yeah, the make or break for me will happen when there's an actual combat between two similarly leveled people, and then I want to see how they're going to, show how someone is more victorious. Like, are they going to use some strategy or tactics like Hunter x Hunter, or is it going to be something like Harry Potter? Because
Or
Harry
like
Potter,
power levels,
yeah, because Harry
yeah.
Potter combat, there is no combat in Harry Potter. It's more like just flicking your wand and saying some spell. Like,
Yeah.
if you know the spell, if you're educated, then you can do it. But so I'm very curious how they handle that here.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that I'm worried for.
Yeah, the only thing I got was it's elemental magic. We saw earth and water and fire.
That will be there.
Yeah.
That's very common.
But I'm glad that they don't expose the this is the magic system and stuff.
Right, they're not
so far.
they're not pushing everything. It's going to be get revealed, and I'm feeling like now that we are
now
in the
now we'll see the
Yeah.
The sensei guy
new
is going
cadets
to,
in training.
yeah,
right.
he's going to tell him
They're
all
going to hone
about
their
magic.
skills.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything else?
No, that's a
That's
pretty
a
long
lot of-
discussion.
Yeah, we're getting
Sure.
a lot of this, lot
Yeah,
from this.
but
yeah.
that should let you guys know that we're really interested in this and
Yeah.
invested in the show. That's why we're discussing it for so long. But that's it for episode 5. Can't wait to get to episode 6. I want to pitch this show so badly, but I can't. All right, that's it for this video.
Yeah.
See you in another one. Bye.
Bye.